Alright, so before we button her up, we've got the 14 Jetta here still, and we did the blind spot sensing. So mounted them right there with the Velcro. I didn't want to drill a hole, but there was no grommets to get in. So you always gotta leave a drip edge so the water doesn't go straight in like this. So if you push this in, the water will just go right from the wire, right in there. You want a little loop, and then we're gonna fill her up with some silicone once we have the wires. It could be any silicone, pure silicone. Got Thum Dum, the goo stuff that looks like black charcoal. We got the I T-tapped, couldn't get my hand in there to pull it out, just a pain. That's left trigger, same thing on the right side, but I already buttoned it up. But I wanted to show you how these guys went back. You just smash them in. So taking this guy out, it is an Allen key, it is a pain in the butt, it does have threads, but you can, if it's gentle and not freezing cold out, you can use a pry tool, get in the middle of it like this, and gently pop it out. That would work also. But you can get a little Allen key in there. I think it's a T15 or T20 to unscrew it to help. Accessory ran up, grab my reverse. GPS antenna stuck up under there. This little guy right here, it's all hidden. Just sticky. That little, my fingers were right on it. And then inside, we got the speaker. Let's see. I'll show you what I did. Just stuck it to the glass. Ran the wire in. This doesn't have a great seam as it was, but it does pop right out. Right down here, right around, right behind the rubber. And I jumped across. This is where it got a little tricky. I didn't even take it out. Used my little handy dandy zip tie sitting over there. Snaked it through, ran up under, hit all the wiring up under here, jumped across, you know, to the trunk, jumped across. And we're just about to button it up. So I'll throw some silicone on there. Accessory you need also. Got that at the column. Same thing over here. Got the little drip edge. And then I'm just going to button it all back up in reverse. Put the bumper back on. Silicone this guy up. Most of it is all plugs. And you're good. Alright, so here's a little trick. I had to stop it for something. Aluminum tape. There's no harness going across, so I just taped it to the body. The client actually asked me, "Is this going to get in the way of the hitch?" And no, because we have a plastic bracket, or panel, I should say, that covers all this. And I'll go get that right now and show you what I'm talking about. Alright, so here's Mr. Panel. It's going to go right over it. And to get this guy off, this is already off. I'm showing you the after effect. Grab from the bottom, pull out, and then up. And that will reveal where it clips in, which is right there. Right there, right there. This is right above you. And over by the other wire. So this will cover it. So nothing will obstruct the hitch, which they always put underneath the wheel well. They take the wheel out. But anyway, I'm going to butt everything up, slap it on back here, and there you have it. Like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.